Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you, everybody? I think you are fine and you are passing the days with happiness, even though we are passing our days with restlessness. And with the teachers of your college are trying to keep you in touch with the studies. So here is our effort. Today, I am going to discuss first paper, English first paper, and the topic is Amerigo, a street child. Amerigo, a street child. So today I shall discuss about the things, and there is the outline of today's class. First, I shall talk about MCQ, that is multiple choice questions. First one is MCQ, that is multiple choice questions. And the second one is comprehension questions. And the next is flow chart. And the final one is writing summary. So this is the outline of today's class. So first of all, there is a reading passage. We have to go through the passage first. And if we go through the passage, then we can answer all the other parts. So first, the passage, Amerigo, a street child. It's a long passage. It will take time. So that's why I am just mentioning few lines. So first is, it is about Amerigo, a boy of 13 years old who lives on the street. And this is a boy, his mother and father are separated because he is a boy of a broken family. She told me to go away. The boy went to his mother, but mother told him to go away. And I have used bold words here. Again, his father lives very far away. Again, a doctor told me stay away. So these are the things very important. Go away. His mother told him to go away. His father lives very far away, and his doctor told him to stay away. These are the things gives us a good message about the passage. So next, so the boy, to survive, he had to do few words. He had to collect rubbish, sort rubbish, that is to collect rubbish. But he had to work 10 to 12 hours in a day, even though we know it's the violation of human rights. A person, a worker should not work more than 8 hours in a day. But this kind of street child like Amerigo has to work 10 to 12 hours. But the sorrowful thing is that they have to remain starved even though they work a lot. Again, he has to do shoe shining. This is a very popular among the street kids. Sometimes they have to work in factories and workshops. And there is another one, I would like to live in my own home. So there is a dream of the boy Amerigo. The dream, what is the dream? I would like to live in my own home and sleep there in peace. Can we imagine that this is a dream? So we have the dream, we dream very lofty things, but this boy, this person Amerigo, dreams to live in his own home and sleep there in peace, because the answer is here. The nights are very cold in the winter. You can die of cold in the street. So that's why this kind of boy wants to live in home. So this is all about the passage. Now, there is multiple choice questions. The first one, what does trash refer to? So from the passage, we see trash means rubbish. The boy collects rubbish from the trash dump. So here trash, it means rubbish. We have to answer number A, and there is Roman number 3, and the answer is rubbish. Not only the Roman number 3. We have to mention also the answer rubbish. The second word, the word infection. We know infection means disease. So here, soundness, illness, germ, ignorance. So illness refers to disease. That's why the answer should be illness. And the next question is, what is the contextual meaning of vendor? So what is vendor? Vendor means seller who sells something going to door. So here it can match with the word hawker. Next, what is Amerigo? So there are four options: a brilliant student, an artist, a street urchin, an orphan boy. So we know he has parents even though they are separated. That's why we cannot say that he is an orphan boy. So he is a brilliant student, he is a street child, he has no chance to go to school. That's why he is not a student, again not an artist. So the answer should be a street urchin. And the last one is, how many times did Amerigo's mother get married? We know from the passage that his mother is separated from father. That's why you can get the idea that his mother has married 2 times. So this is all about the multiple choice questions. Now we are moving to the next question answer. So here is the first questions. So for question answer we have to follow the text, but we have to remember that we cannot copy line by line. We have to follow the question, we have to follow the tense, and according to tense we have to decorate the answer. So what is the question here? What is your impression about Amerigo's parents? So from the passage we know that his parents are very careless. His parents are very rude, and that's why he is a street child. That's why I said here my impression, here your impression. So the answer should be, my impression about Amerigo's parents is very negative. Why it is negative? Because they are careless. I have used here an adjective, careless, irresponsible, and inhuman. And for their carelessness, so here careless, it is an adjective, but carelessness, this is an noun. So for their carelessness, their son, that means the son of mother and father, Amerigo, has become a street child. That's why my impression is very negative. So this is the first question. Now the second one. What was Amerigo's first job? What made him stop doing the job? So there are 2 parts of the question. The first part is, what was Amerigo's first job? And the second part is, what made him stop doing the job? The answer should be in 2 parts. The first part's answer should be, Amerigo's first job was trash collection. From where? From the trash dump. So dump means a place where rubbish are thrown away. So Amerigo's first job was trash collection from the trash dump. And the second part is, what made him stop doing the job? Why the boy Amerigo stopped doing collecting trash? The answer should be once. That means once upon a time he was seriously infected. He was seriously infected by an infection. And a doctor advised him to stop trash collection. This advice of the doctor made him stop to collect trash. So there are 2 parts and we have to decorate the answer following the 2 parts. Now, question number C. How is Amerigo's experience of selling ice cream? How is Amerigo's experience of selling ice cream? So Amerigo's experience of selling ice cream is very painful. The word adjective is very painful. Why it is painful? Because he had to carry a heavy ice cream box to sell ice cream, and he had to work hours after hours. So I have mentioned 2 things. One, that is he had to carry a heavy ice cream box. Another one, he had to work hours after hours. That's why his experience of selling ice cream is very painful. And the next answer, how does Amerigo evaluate his life now? This is the first portion of the question. Second one is, does he have any option to change it? So 2 parts here. The first portion answer is, Amerigo evaluates. Here evaluates, I have added is because the person Amerigo is third person and singular number, and the tense is present tense. That's why Amerigo evaluates his life positively. Why? Because he has compared with his friends. There are some friends we know from the passage who are dead, who are injured, but he is still alive. That's why he evaluates his life positively, comparing with the friends. Again, the second portion, does he have any option to change his lifestyle? So I think he may. I have used may because there is a possibility. It's not sure. That's why I have used here may. I think he may have an option to improve his life, though it is quite difficult. It's not an easy job because he has to meet with those people who work for the street children. But it is very difficult to find those people like a child Americo. And the last question is, what does Amerigo desire now? What does Amerigo desire now? So this is the last question. So what is the desire? What is the dream? Should he desire such things? So the answer should be, now Amerigo desires to live in his own home and sleep there in peace. So what does he desire? To live in his own home, the first portion, and to sleep there in peace. Because to sleep outside in cold, in summer, it's really painful. It's very difficult. That's why he likes to live in his own home and to live there in peace. And the second portion, should he desire such things? Yes, definitely. He should desire such things because it is a basic human rights. We know there are few basic human rights that is a must for every person, and a secure place, a secure living place is a must. So because it is a basic human rights, so a person like Amerigo should desire a good living place. So these are the question answer. Now the question number 3, that is drawing flow chart. We know we have to follow the text to answer the flow chart, but I have said here one is done for you. There are 6 boxes. There are 6 boxes, but one should be given as a sample, and another 5 we have to fill up following the first one. This is just the sample, and there is a question. Draw a flowchart showing the livelihood activities of the street children. It's not only for Amerigo, it's in general for all the street children like Amerigo. So how do they collect their livelihood? The first one, working hard in different sectors. So they do not have any fixed place to work, rather they have different sectors to work. And the first word, working, the first alphabet is capital letter, so the next one also should be in capital letter, and there is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The first one is using gerund, the second one is also following the same thing, working, collecting trash and selling, collecting trash and selling to the vendor. Next, selling ice cream, and the next one, show shining, working in different factories and workshops, and the last one is depending on the mercy of others. So you can have a look here, working, collecting, selling, show shining, working and depending. So there is a very good chronology, and there is all the first word is the same. Okay, that's why we have to follow the technique, and we have to follow the serial from the text. So this is all about the flow chart. And the next question that we have to answer from the text, that is the summary, summarize the passage. So the students, simply we write summary, just copying the lines one after another. We copy few lines, 5 lines or 6 lines, and we think this is just the summary. So it's a wrong concept. So we have to summarize the passage following our own language, and it should be very simple language. Okay, so I have written down here about the summary. So you see, summarize the passage of Amerigo. So I have said the condition of street children is very lamentable. Lamentable means sorrowful. So their condition is not good. That's why I said very lamentable, very sorrowful, very pitiful. Because they lead an inhuman life. So the life leading is very pathetic. So Amerigo is a street child and he is deprived of parental affection. So he is a street child and he has parents, but he can't enjoy the love and care of the parents. That's why I have said here parental affection. He is also deprived of all basic human rights. We know basic rights are those things that are obligatory for all the human beings. But even though he is a part of human being, he is deprived of all basic human rights. He can't go to school. He cannot enjoy good food. He does not have the good shelter, good living place. That's why he is deprived. Again, to earn his livelihood, to earn his bread and butter, he has to do some odd and risky job. Odd, some very difficult jobs, some risky jobs, some unusual job, odd job. That means not usual. We, the people, generally discourage this kind of job. That's why I have said here odd jobs. And the last one is he sometimes remains unfit too. So even though he was hurt, even though his work is very risky, very sorrowful, but sometimes he has to remain unfit too. This is really sorrowful. And such is the situation of the street children like Amerigo. So this is like a summary. So we have to follow the technique of writing a summary from there. So these are the 4 questions I have discussed today. So my suggestion is go through your textbook, go through the passage, word by word, line.